powerful, good Lord. Yours is the praise, the glory and the honor, and every blessing to you alone, Most High. Do they belong, and no one is worthy to speak your name. Praised be you, my Lord, with all your creatures, especially Sir, brother, son, who is the day through whom you'll bring us light. And he is lovely, shining with great splendor, for he heralds you most high. Praised be you, my Lord, through sister moon and stars. In heaven you have formed them, lightsome and precious and fair. And praised be you, my Lord, through brother wind, through air and cloud, through calm, and every weather by which you sustain your creatures. Praise be you, my Lord, through sister water, so very useful and humble, precious and chaste. Praise be you, my Lord, through brother fire, by whom you light up the night. And he is handsome and merry, robust and strong. Praised be you, my Lord, through our sister mother, who sustains us and directs us, bringing forth all kinds of foods and colored flowers and herbs. Praise be you, my Lord, through those who forgive for your love, and who bear sickness from whom no living being can escape. How dreadful for those who die in mortal sin. How blessed are those she finds in your most holy will. For the second death can do them no harm. Oh, praise and bless my Lord. Thank Him and serve Him humbly but gratefully.